Hey everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Now let me just go ahead and give my flowers to Love Me while I can, okay? Because they actually redeemed themselves on this body wave wig, okay? Compared to the last one that I had, yeah, this one is definitely a 360 change and a 360 difference from the last wig, and I'm super excited to tell y'all about it, so let's get right into it. So I did order a 555 HD closure wig in 24 inches. This is a 180% density closure wig. They did pre-bleach the knots, and they also added an elastic band into the wig, which are two of the things that I typically do with wigs that I get from factory vendors and things like that. So they pretty much completed two steps. All you have to do is cut the lace and put it right on. The wig is 180% density, so it's pretty much a natural fullness. Here's how the hairline came. I did go back in and bleach the knots one more time because I like scalp. I like more of a scalpish effect. What I'm going to do, as you guys can see, I'm going to pluck the hairline, okay? We are going to pluck this hairline, get rid of any heaviness in the hairline. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys how I typically do it. I don't like to stay in one place. If you pluck a hole or a bald spot rather into your lace, be sure that you know how to ventilate. One thing I'm learning is how to ventilate, because there are times where I feel like I might have plucked a little bit too much, and ventilating your wigs help you to be able to put that hair right back in its place, okay? Because once it's gone, it ain't gonna grow back, it's lace. But yeah, so as you guys can see, this is just my method of plucking. I like to pluck behind the hairline of the wig first, and then I pluck the hairline last. And once I comb out all of that excess hair, I typically can see what I'm working with. If I want to go back in, I'll do that. But if I see like it's looking like this, I'm good. I don't have to go back in. So yeah, I'm pretty much satisfied with how the hairline is looking. Now moving on to actually getting the wig together, I'm going in with my wax stick and my hot comb. These two put together, y'all, and make magic. Get you a hot comb and a wax stick and get your wigs flat, okay? Stop walking around with humps on the top of y'all heads. Oh my gosh, like, I just don't get it. Wax sticks and hot combs are literally your best friend. The little spray that you guys see me spraying is just regular hair holding spray, just to kind of let that hump that I create stay there. And you guys see the difference between the side that I customized and laid versus the other one, and here it is looking all nice and put together. Now that part is a little wide, so I am going to go in with my rat tail comb, and I'm going to go, oh well, first I'm going to go in with some makeup. Apparently I'm moving too fast. I'm using my Ruby Kisses level 9 just to kind of, emphasize the middle part a little bit. Now we're going in with the metal end rat tail comb and some of that temporary hair color, and then we sealed it in with some hairspray like so. Now I am going to separate the hair in sections because we're going to do a little bit of styling. Now when it comes down to body wave hair, I always say the only way I could wear body wave the only way I could wear, get it together, the only way I can, wow, the pressure is getting worse. Jeez, I can't talk. So the only way that I can wear body wave hair is if it's silk pressed or if I curl it. I like to add these loose wand curls into body wave hair because it just gives me like effortless. It looks like it's raw hair with, it could be like a $100 wig. I just love the way that doing these curls in body wave hair just looks. So I'm curling towards my face. I'm not curling away because I want this to fall. I want these curls to fall into waves pretty much. So I'm curling towards my face, wrapping that hair around the barrel like so, curling towards my face, and bam. So yeah, I like to do this with body wave hair just so that I can have like a effortless look, especially with my closure wigs, because I typically grab and go with my closure wigs. Now, once it's all done like this, I like to spray just a little bit of hair holding spray or spritz just to seal the deal. All right, so here are the loose curls. They've already fallen. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace off using these craft scissors or piking shears, because I like the pattern that it gives the lace and it helps the lay a lot better. All I have to do is just cut across. I have these linked in my Amazon storefront. Definitely check it out for more wig essentials and other loads of goodies that I like to use for my wig installs and stuff like that. So the lace is cut like so. There we go. So it is a HD lace wig, so I don't need to like do too much to it because it already blends in perfectly. I'm just going in with some leftover foundation on this brush. Do you see that? No, you don't. You don't see that, do you? You don't see that lace until I lift it up. Then you kind of see the line of demarcation, but you do not see that lace. Alright. My light literally just cut off on me. Let's fix this just a little bit. Bam. Listen, Luvme has really stepped their game up, okay? Especially with the fullness of their wigs. Like, they're actually giving you 180% density, which is a very nice and full natural density to go for when you're looking for a good quality wig. So I definitely like the fact that they're offering 180% density wigs. And then of course, they're known for their HD lace, and this is definitely HD, high definition, very thin lace. Be very careful because this lace is very delicate. It rips super easily, so be super careful with your lace. And the hair itself is body wave. It's literally everyone's like staple pattern to have, because as you guys can see, you can curl it. I did not use any adhesive for this install whatsoever. It's not required when you're wearing closure wigs because they're considered completely glueless. It's like adhesive is optional. I love closure wigs. They're simple, quick, and easy to just install and go. Shout out to my ring light here that wanted to go ahead and give up on your girl. Either way, the video had to get recorded and I was not about to redo this whole thing all over again. The lace is already cut and my face is beat right now. I'll leave the link to this wig down below in the description so that you guys can check it out. Any available coupon codes, you know I got you, and I'll leave it down below in the description. If you have any further questions, leave a comment down below and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.